Parentheses 9 minus 7 times 2 plus 5. 9 minus 7 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. Then bring down our 5 here. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 9 is the wrong answer to this question. 9 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses. And in our parentheses, we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 7 times 2 will give us 14. Then we have 9 minus 14. Bring down our 5 here. 9 minus 14 is equals to negative 5. Then we have negative 5 plus 5. Negative 5 plus 5 will give us 0. 0 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.